Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment, YouTube questions and topics. The informations of this video are from Google search and supportgoogle.com. Our question for today is, how do I get my bonus payment from AdSense under Shorts video? To claim a bonus and get paid, qualifying creators need to make sure that an approved and active AdSense account is linked to their channel. If you already have an AdSense account, you'll get a bonus payment with any other monthly YouTube earnings. Setting up AdSense for the first time. This is when you don't have an AdSense account. If you qualify for a Shorts bonus but don't yet have an AdSense account, YouTube will help you get started. From the bonus notification email or in-app notification, select Claim Bonus to get to the Shorts Fun page in YouTube Studio. Number 1, under Step 1, select Start to accept the bonus terms. Number 2, under Step 2, select Start to set up your AdSense account. Number 3, when asked if you have an existing AdSense account, choose No, I need to create one. Number 4, select Continue to go to AdSense. Number 5, choose the Google account to use for AdSense. Note, if you already use AdSense for other reasons outside of YouTube, sign in to Google account. Use your existing AdSense account. Number 6, accept terms, then select Create Account. Number 7, enter your address, then select Submit. Once you've created your AdSense account, more instruction on how to complete your AdSense profile will be sent to you. This includes submitting necessary tax info, confirming that your personal details are correct, and indicating a method of payment. I hope this video will help. And this is my reference of my video from Google search and googlesuport.com. A million thanks to all my channel members. They are Jeneline Mix Vlog, Katoto Kamotur Vlog, Mirasol Idlon TV, Roots Joel, Ganya Official, Anji TV, and Bert Lambujo. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.